official Royal Navy flying display team now as the Blackcats since the Sharks disbanded in the mid-90s.
So the two Wildcats running in down the main runway, and we see the pair both pulling up into 360-degree windovers, approximately 90 degrees angle of bank. The lead Wildcat, call sign Black One, disposal being flown, including .50 caliber machine guns, torpedoes, the Marklet and Sea Venom missiles. Two there pulling up over the top of Black One and heading back away from us on the B-axis, wing over to reposition coming up. As Mark mentioned, this is a multi-service asset, just as the Lynx was, with the Wildcat also in service with the Army Air Corps, where now, Mark, it forms part of what was Joint Helicopter Command but is now Joint Aviation Command.
Yeah, that's right. The name changed about 2 or 3 months ago, without much of a fanfare, I must say, and has been changed to Joint Aviation to encompass the proliferation within the British Armed Forces of unmanned air systems.
Coming straight back in towards us now.
Cyclist time, go.
And both pulling up into steep climbs, which will conclude with the formation nose over. Black One for this season. Lieutenant Michael Vivian joined the Royal Navy in February 2013. He's been operating the Wildcat for 7 years now, and he's carried out numerous operational tours to the Middle East. And he brings the pair down to about 100 feet in the hover. We'll see them reversing and then bowing to you. Into the hover. They're about 1 rotor span apart here. The Black One, he caught the two Wildcats into the carousel. There they are, turning face to face. And now rotating around each other. Separation before the formation nose over. This season's Black 2, Lieutenant Scott Sunderland, has been in the Navy since 2010. He was streamed straight onto the Wildcat once he'd completed flying training. He deployed to the Middle East in 2018, and out there he was one of the pilots who was involved in seizing what was then a record amount of drugs, £145 million worth, more than had ever been seized by a UK warship in the region as part of anti-piracy and smuggling efforts.
Cycle time, go.
Now the pair in for another steep cycling climb. And a further nose over. Navy operations from the new Queen Elizabeth class aircraft carriers as well, alongside the likes of the F-35B Lightning and the Crow's Nest equipped surveillance version of the Merlin helicopter, both of which you can see in the static park. Now braking around the display centre, the two Wildcats head away from us. Black One about to call them to pull up, and a final crossing wing over from the 2024 Royal Navy helicopter display team, the Black Cats. But as they complete their sequence, it's over to George Bacon.
Well, thank you very much, Ben. Just a brief reminder, please, the security announcement for all you visitors here today, and that is to ask you, please, to keep all your baggage with you at all times, and do not leave anything unattended, as it may create a security situation. If you need any assistance with that, or you see anything suspicious yourself, then do please speak to any of our friendly stewards who are around the place, the Air to 2 crew, or indeed the policemen who are patrolling.
The two Wildcats then, hover taxiing down the runway at the completion of their sequence.